need somebody help, not just anybody help. You know I need someone.
This year in middle school, 4 of our teachers took us on the journey of our green footprint. We first learned of the idea of conservation in music class when Mr. Williamson introduced us the paper versus plastic debate. While both paper and plastic are recyclable, the problem is not everyone does it.
Then, in computers and keyboarding, Mrs. Marsh focused on how much we each emit as individuals. We learned about how much paper the school uses through a daily trash blogging activity. We also discovered ways to reduce our waste.
After we learned just how much trash we really are responsible for, Mr. Bradley had us explore ways we could preserve our environment through reducing. We created our own green cleaning solutions as a small contribution towards reducing the amount of toxins added to the environment. By preserving our environment, we are one step closer to a greener tomorrow.
The question is, if reusing and recycling are the way to go, why doesn't everyone do it? Well, that is a question we actually discussed in art class with Mrs. Burnett. We talked and learned about habits and routines, and we came to understand how we can each control change in our own green identity.
So here's our challenge to you. If each of you places every plastic bottle or container in a recycling box and place every piece of paper you don't need into the recycling bin in each classroom, we can drastically reduce the waste of tomorrow. Increasing our green footprint begins with you.
Change your mind, open up the doors.